I will show you how you can change any specific color in photos, so let's get started. First you need to go to Photopea website. It's free and you do not need to register too. You can click here and upload photo from your computer. And next, select the image layer. Next, from the bottom, click this adjustment layer icon, which will open this menu. In this menu, you need to select Hue and Saturation tab. If you don't see this Properties panel, you can click and open Windows tab, and again click the Property tab. Next, right-click on this adjustment layer, and select Clipping Mask tab. And moving to Property panel, we need to change the range from the option below. I want to change the color of the car, which is yellow, so I need to select yellow. If the car color is red, I would have to click red color. But if the color of the car is aqua, if green is more in the aqua color, I need to select green, but blue is more in aqua, then we need to select blue in the range. Hence, I have selected yellow, because I want to change this yellow color of the car. Next, we need to make sure this color picker is selected, and again click on the yellow color on the car. Next, we can change the color of this car in the photo by moving these three slide options of hue, saturation, and lightness to the color of our choice. And you can see only the color of the car has been changed, from yellow to pink. Once we are satisfied with the color change, we can save the image to the computer. I am hoping this graphics video will be of help to you. Subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell icon, to get more interesting videos updates like this.